Hello guys, it's Mikul here, and today we're unboxing this Nest Hello. And this is a doorbell made by Nest, so it works with like your Nest ecosystem, basically a thermostat or let's say security camera. And this also is a fairly new product, so I'm unboxing it. Lucky enough, this is $230, and also we were lucky enough to get the Google Home Mini along with it for the same price of the $230 of the actual Nest Hello doorbell. And it's called Nest Hello. Just for information, let's take a screwdriver and like stab right through it. So, well, I almost lost the screwdriver there. So, wash all this wrapping papers, throw it over there, and open. Why? Oh, whoops! No, that's why. They had one of these really weird pull tabs that I don't understand the point of. So let's quickly pull that. I'm just probably going to the side. No business. Oh, I unboxed that thing down. Let's do that. Alright, let's do it again. Okay, there. So you got the doorbell. It's actually really small. Actually, it's by hand, really small. It's probably like about say 1.5 inches long, about like 4 inches tall. So then there's like the thing camera. I'll keep that there. The button itself is really big, clicky as you can probably hear it. Let's take off the casing. Now you got the Nest logo right there. Then take out what they have. So let's see. Set up your Nest Hello with the Nest app. Alright. And let's see. Some stuff that I don't really care about. And then I think it's a sticker. No, it's supposed to be a sticker. I don't know, but it's not sticky. You can set it up with the Nest Hello app. So what it needs is the chime connector, actually, which is actually smaller than expected. Really small. Size of the button. So this one, you need a certain, I think, 16 to 24 volt output for your doorbell. That's the only way this will work. So, and then this would be connected into your chime. For us, it'll be mechanical chime doorbell. And then you'll connect these back in. So basically, we'll go, instead of going to the motor for our like mechanical doorbell, we'll go through this, and we'll go to the motor after that. I just realized they have micro USB on here, as you can probably see. I don't understand why, but I don't know. Anyway, this is actually similar to the Ring doorbell that I unboxed earlier, which is, except this one looks like it's going to be better. You got some supplies like wire extenders. We got like a drill bit, some stuff, and I think, yeah, screws. And we also got a mounting bracket for our thing, and it's metal. And I think this is another, no, actually I don't know. Never mind. Okay, this is just a bracket for behind. And this is the angle mount if you need to angle it a certain way. So thanks for watching this really weird unboxing because it's all over messy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.